Hey, this is Harmon with Drain Beast Plumbing and Septic. A topic that gets brought up a lot is how long do sump pumps last? Typically, sump pumps last between 7 to 10 years. There are cases that your sump pump is going to last anywhere between 3 to 5 years. This all depends on the usage with your sump pump. There could be houses that are using your guys's fixtures a lot more than other houses, and there could be houses that they barely get any usage. So your sump pump lifespan kind of really depends on how much you actually use your fixtures, right? More water going in, the longer the pump is lasting. Some of the signs that you're going to see that your sump pump is failing is you're going to see a lot of humming noise, grinding noise, and vibrations, right? If you hear this type of stuff, that's one way to know that, hey, my sump pump is about to fail. Here in the Pacific Northwest, 1 in 5 homes have sump pumps. And if you're experiencing any issues with your sump pump, give Drain Beast Plumbing and Septic a call.